lot of the lads who I work with support me, and then the office staff as well, they support me and just look out for me, see how I'm doing, see what things I can improve on.
I'm Hattie, I'm HGSS Work Supervisor for Powys County Council, and I think apprenticeships are important because I am the result of one. I think businesses should take on more apprentices because it's a way of keeping young blood in the area and in your industry, and also allows you to grow from the ground up your workforce. Your workforce are going to have a fundamental understanding of your business, your company, your ideals, more than anyone else that you've hired in from the outside who has been grown using other people's ideals and other people's methods of working. You can teach them how you want it to be done, and they can have that pride and enthusiasm that you want them to have, that potentially someone else older or from a different industry coming in wouldn't have.
There is downsides to an apprenticeship. You know, it's hard work, it's hard to manage your time, and it's hard to see all your friends go off to uni and, you know, they're going out on Tuesday night. Well, I'm not going out on Tuesday night because I'm coming here for work at 9 o'clock on Wednesday, but that wasn't important to me. And I think if you're really thinking about your future career, you make those decisions on what your career is going to be like, not perhaps what's going to be fun for a year. So I think there are downsides, but to me, the positives definitely outweigh them. I did enjoy my time in Birmingham, but I think the thing for me was I really wanted to work with local clients. I didn't know any of the clients in Birmingham. I enjoyed working in the city and meeting new people and everything like that, but for me, I wanted to see a difference in my local community, and I've always loved living here. I'd never see myself probably living in the city, which is just a personal preference, but started writing locally to firms that, you know, I thought aligned one with my values, because I think that's something I learned quite quickly, is the culture of where you work does play a really big, you know, part in whether you actually enjoy working there or not. So yeah, I sent in my CV and a cover letter just sort of explaining what the apprenticeship route was, because to my knowledge there was nothing really available in Wales for that kind of thing. I think if Mid Wales can place emphasis on apprenticeships, you will retain your talent. I think the problem that we've perhaps had in the past is there's only been the vacancies, the jobs, the opportunities available across the border, or even in central Cardiff, or, you know, kind of quite far away. So I think it's easy for people to move to seek them opportunities, and I think widening the apprenticeship route in Wales is just going to retain that talent for, you know, our own economy, our own services, and I think we would miss a trick if we didn't.
From the training with HCT, which have really helped during the workshops, which have improved my skills, such as minute taking, which have been used regularly now during my job. I've been with a lot of different departments, from highways to housing to licensing, and during each team I've worked really closely with different members of the team, which have, you know, helped me loads. I understand there's a fear from businesses that by training the apprentices up, they may look to further their career elsewhere, but I disagree with that. You know, I feel more at home within the council, and I probably believe that's from working so closely with the members of the team that, you know, you feel so at home and, you know, want to stay. Wouldn't want to go anywhere else.
Go for it. You know, I'm an older person that's been doing this course, but you never stop learning, and it's an eye-opener to get that extra bit of knowledge as well, to enable you to progress within your career and gain extra qualifications.
I mean, I think the benefits for doing the further learning would be huge. I mean, Jenny, my boss, she did it herself, and she's manager of the team. And I do so much more than just learning the customer service aspect of my MBQ. I'm learning a lot of the legal side, a lot of how to build a business, a lot of how, like, the corporate side of things work within an organisation or a business. And I think that's really something that I can use in the future to build something on my own, or push and work my way through other departments within the council. You should definitely do one. I mean, if you haven't got the confidence in yourself to do it, I've got one-on-one support with my tutor, I've got one-on-one support with my managers, and I think it's just a great opportunity to learn in a way more relaxed environment, but you're just progressing more because you're actually learning on the job, and I think you're going to get further.